Dealing with a chronic cough can oftentimes be a headache to deal with, especially if it interferes with your daily activities, and sometimes it may be difficult to find out exactly what's causing it. This morning on Ask a Specialist, we'll talk about what you need to know with Queens Medical Center's Dr. Christian Castañeda. Aloha and good morning, Dr. Castañeda. Thank you so much for joining us.
Aloha, thank you for having me.
So one of the reasons for a chronic cough could be something called non-tuberculosis mycobacterial lung disease. What is that and why is it so important?
So NTM is an exceedingly common and very under-recognized cause of chronic cough. It can live and grow in the lungs and can progressively destroy them, unfortunately. And living here on the islands, we're about 4 times more likely to get NTM than our mainland counterparts.
Wow, 4 times more likely. What makes Hawaii different from the mainland in that regard?
That's a very excellent question. And researchers from National Jewish and Brigham Young have been studying that question for the past decade. They think that it's due to certain minerals in the volcanic soil located here on Oahu and in the islands generally. Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Okay. What kind of symptoms do people with this condition, NTM, experience?
It's part of what makes it hard to diagnose and treat, to be honest with you. But the main primary symptom is chronic cough, even though a lot of things can cause chronic cough. Patients also sometimes have hemoptysis, which is blood in the sputum, increased amounts of sputum, and just generally short of breath, which is obviously very nonspecific.
Lastly, if somebody is experiencing these types of symptoms, what should they do?
So you should speak with your primary care doctor. He or she, if they're comfortable managing it or diagnosing it, they may send the tests for sputum, but they also might recommend that you go see a pulmonologist or an infectious disease doctor as well.
And to learn more about chronic cough, you can join Dr. Castañeda for Queen's free virtual Speaking of Health lecture. That is taking place next week's Thursday. That's January the 18th from noon to 1 p.m. If you're interested, you can visit www.queens.org/events to register. Thank you so much for joining us and for all the information, Dr. Castañeda. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.